It's time to travel. The busiest travel day of the year is here. We'll have the latest on the conditions on the roads, in the air, and on the tracks. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jackie Parks.
And I'm Tim Callahan. We have team coverage of the Thanksgiving travel season. We've got you up-to-the-minute weather conditions online. It's here as well in case you're flying out of town, as well as latest traffic conditions if you're hitting roads tonight. First, 23 ABC's James Johnson live now at Bakersfield with travelers who decided to skip the highways altogether. James?
Planes, trains, and automobiles, people are finding all sorts of ways to make those last-minute travel arrangements this holiday season. 42 million Americans are expected to take a road trip this Thanksgiving, and a lot of travelers are looking at other options. Jose Trigo and Dora Montes just got back from visiting family in Texas. They drove to Texas and, due to the holiday traffic, decided to take the train back home.
The drive was non-stop, 24 hours. Made it there, no sleep. On the train, we actually got to sleep the whole way.
My first experiences, it was awesome. I recommend people to take the Amtrak on holidays. It's not really a big deal. It's awesome.
Travelers are also looking to the skies to get away. The Natui brothers are visiting family in Houston and flying out of Bakersfield Airport to beat the crowds.
I feel like it's more easier than driving 2 hours to LAX and hopping on a plane.
Now, it's been pretty easy because we're at Bakersfield Airport, so it's really easy. We're not at LAX because that'd be like really compacted and really stressful.
So whether you're taking a train or airplane, arrive early, pack smart, and perhaps the golden rule of traveling, pack your patience.
You know, when it's the holiday travel season, you know, it's time to have a lot of patience. There's a lot of other people traveling. Everybody's trying to get through at a busy time, and everybody, you know, wishing everybody a happy Thanksgiving.
Now, both Amtrak and the airport, they were both pretty busy today, and they say that's normal during the holiday season. I'm James Johnson from Bakersfield, and I'm going to toss it over to Gracia Aguilar with the very latest on the highway traffic. Gracia.
Hey James, well, we're at the Grapevine where we have the best